Welcome to Ank's English, your vibrant hub for mastering English with passion and flair. I'm Ank, your enthusiastic coach on this language journey. Have you ever felt a surge of joy, a twinge of sadness, or a flutter of nerves, but found yourself tongue-tied when trying to express it in English? Emotions are the colors of our lives. Yet finding the right words in a new language can feel like chasing a rainbow. Today, we're diving deep into the art of sharing your feelings in English. Whether you're brimming with excitement or grappling with worry, this skill will light up your conversations and forge stronger connections. Stick with me until the end, and you'll walk away with a treasure trove of words, phrases, and confidence to express your heart like a native speaker. Let's dive into this emotional adventure. Why does talking about our emotions matter so much? Picture your feelings as a river flowing within you. When you keep them locked inside, it's like damming that river. Pressure builds, and it can weigh you down. But when you share how you feel, it's like opening the floodgates, letting your heart breathe freely. This not only boosts your mental well-being, but also feels like a warm breeze on a heavy day. More than that, expressing emotions helps others see the real you. When you tell a friend you're ecstatic about a new opportunity or quietly admit you're overwhelmed, it creates a bridge of understanding. Those honest moments weave stronger bonds with friends, family, or even coworkers, turning casual connections into meaningful relationships. It's like planting a garden of trust that grows with every shared feeling. Before we explore the words, a heartfelt shout out to all of you tuning in. If you're as thrilled about learning English as I am about teaching it, please share this video with your friends, hit that subscribe button, and give us a big thumbs up. Your support keeps Ank's English thriving, and I can't wait to read your comments. Drop a note below. What's one emotion you're feeling right now? Or when did you last feel truly alive? I'm all ears. Let's start with the foundation. Essential emotion words you'll use every day to paint your feelings. First, there's elated, when your heart feels like it's soaring, like when you receive amazing news or share a laugh with friends. Then we have downhearted, when you're feeling low, perhaps because a plan fell apart or it's been a rainy week. Next is annoyed, that itchy feeling when something small gets under your skin, like a phone that won't stop buzzing. Overjoyed is when you're bursting with excitement, maybe before a big trip or a special celebration. Nervous is that jittery sensation before a presentation or a test. Afraid is when something spooks you, like a strange noise in the dark. And exhausted is when you're so drained you just want to melt into your couch after a long day. These words are your starting point, so practice them out loud. Let them dance on your tongue and make them yours. A quick tip for beginners: the difference between I feel and I am. Both are correct, but they carry a slight nuance. Saying I feel elated captures your emotion in the moment, like a photo of your mood right now. Saying I am elated is more like stating who you are at that time. For example, I feel exhausted after studying all night, or I am exhausted mean the same thing. Don't overthink it. Just pick one and start talking. The more you express yourself, the more natural it becomes, like learning to ride a bike. Now, let's add depth with more specific emotion words to pinpoint exactly what's in your heart. There's irritated, when something persistent bugs you, like a slow computer during a deadline. Overloaded is when life feels like a tidal wave, with tasks or worries piling up. Anxious is a deeper nervous, when you're fretting about something big, like a job interview or a major decision. Then there's proud, that glowing warmth when you nail a project or cheer for a loved one's success. Lonely is when you feel isolated, even in a crowd, yearning for someone to connect with. Confident is when you feel unstoppable, ready to shine in any situation, like acing a class discussion. And disappointed is when a hope crumbles, like when a long-awaited event gets canceled. These words give your conversations precision and richness. To show how intense your emotions are, you can tweak your words. Say, I'm a touch downhearted if you're just slightly sad, like if you missed a favorite movie. But if something major happens, like losing a cherished keepsake, you might say, I'm utterly devastated. Words like a touch, really, totally, or completely add layers, making your sentences vivid and engaging, like adding spices to a dish. Let's spice things up with English idioms, those colorful phrases that make your speech pop. First, I'm on cloud 9, meaning you're incredibly happy, like when you land a dream opportunity or plan a big adventure. Feeling under the weather means you're a bit unwell or off, maybe with a cold or just low energy. Tiptoeing around someone is when you're careful not to upset them, like choosing your words wisely around a sensitive friend. And when something deeply saddens you, you might say it tore my heart in two, like hearing about a loved one's struggle. Idioms take practice, but using them makes your English sound effortlessly natural. How do we ask others about their emotions? Showing you care builds powerful connections. Instead of just, how are you? Try, how's your heart holding up? It invites a deeper response. If someone seems off, ask what's weighing on your mind. It's a gentle way to check in. Or if they look upset, say, care to share what's going on? These questions open a door without pushing, showing you're there for them. When someone opens up, respond with empathy, showing you truly understand. If a friend says they're struggling, try to, that must feel really heavy. It shows you're listening. Or say, I can see why you'd feel that way, connecting to their experience. I'm right here for you is a powerful way to offer support. And a simple wartlen, thanks for trusting me with, that encourages them to share again. These responses make people feel seen and valued, like a warm hug through words. Let's bring this to life with real-life scenarios. After a rough day, you might say I'm totally wiped out and a bit irritated because my project hit a snag. If you're excited, like before a trip, try I'm absolutely on cloud 9 about my vacation. It's going to be epic. For sadness, you could say I'm really heartbroken after missing that big opportunity. These phrases make your English feel alive and authentic. At work, expressing emotions can be tricky but vital. If you're stressed, say I'm feeling a bit burned out from all these deadlines. Burned out means you're exhausted from too much pressure, like a candle burned to the wick. Or try I need a mental breather, meaning a short pause to recharge. These are professional yet honest ways to communicate. Cultures handle emotions differently, and it's fascinating. In some places, people keep feelings private, like treasures in a vault. In many English-speaking cultures, openness is a strength, showing honesty and building trust. As you learn English, you're also learning this cultural warmth. Don't be shy. Sharing your emotions is a superpower. Let's explore more scenarios to practice. Imagine you're chatting with a classmate who looks down. You might say, hey, you seem a bit off. What's on your mind? If they share, respond with, well, that sounds tough. I'm here for you. Or picture yourself at a family gathering, feeling proud of a sibling's success. You could say, I'm so proud of you. It's amazing to see you shine. These moments show how emotion words bring conversations to life. For my top tips to boost your emotional vocabulary, here are 3 gems. First, keep a feelings journal in English. Write daily. Like today, I'm elated because I learned a new skill, or I'm a bit anxious about a meeting. Second, describe your day with emotional words. Instead of, my day was fine, say my day was chaotic, but I'm proud of pushing through. Third, practice with a friend or even in front of a mirror. Share how you feel and ask them to do the same. It's like a workout for your language skills. Mistakes are your stepping stones, so embrace them. Let me share a story to tie this together. Last month, I was feeling completely overloaded with work and a bit irritated because my laptop kept freezing. I told a colleague, "I'm so swamped right now and it's getting to me." She said, "That sounds exhausting. Want to grab coffee and talk?" Her empathy lifted my spirits, and sharing helped me see the light at the end of the tunnel. Later, when I finished a big task, I said, "I'm totally proud of pulling this off." That moment of expressing myself felt like a weight lifted, and it deepened our friendship. Try this yourself. Share a feeling with someone today and see how it feels. We've covered a ton today, from core emotions to idioms, empathetic responses, and real-life examples. You're not just learning words, you're learning to connect heart to heart in English. A massive thank you for joining me on Ank's English. Please subscribe, share this video, and hit that like button. In the comments, tell me, how's your heart today? Or when did you feel on cloud 9? My challenge, watch this video every day to practice these phrases. Repetition is your key to fluency. Keep shining, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.